Many foods labeled healthy may not fully support your body when eaten often or in large amounts. Let's test whether your food choices truly support your health or may be less helpful than they appear. Which food label is most likely to mislead adults trying to eat healthier? A. Organic. B. Low-fat. C. Gluten-free. D. Plant-based. Marketing terms often sound healthier than the food itself. Correct answer: B. Low-fat foods often hide high sugar levels. Removing fat often means adding sugar for taste, which can cause quicker rises in blood glucose for many people. Which everyday food contains more hidden sugar than most desserts? A. Granola. B. Yogurt. C. Breakfast cereal. D. All of the above. This shocks people who believe these foods are clean. Correct answer: D. Sugar hides in many so-called healthy foods. Excess sugar may contribute to more inflammation, stronger cravings, and gradual weight gain over time. Which carbohydrate causes the fastest energy crash for most adults? A. Oatmeal. B. Brown rice. C. White bread. D. Sweet potatoes. Think about digestion speed and blood sugar response. Correct answer: C. White bread spikes and crashes blood sugar rapidly. Rapid glucose spikes are commonly followed by energy dips and increased hunger for many people. Which cooking oil is more likely to break down and form unwanted compounds when heated at high temperatures? A. Olive oil. B. Butter. C. Coconut oil. D. Any vegetable oil. This depends on oxidation, not calories. Correct answer: D. Vegetable oils oxidize easily under heat. Oxidized oils may contribute to increased inflammation, which is considered a risk factor for heart and blood vessel problems. What happens when protein intake is too low in adults over 40? A. Slower metabolism. B. Muscle loss. C. Weaker immunity. D. All of the above. This issue may play a bigger role in how the body changes with age than many people realize. Correct answer: D. Low protein affects multiple aging systems. Adequate protein preserves muscle, immunity, and metabolic health. If these food facts surprised you, you're not misinformed on purpose. Nutrition confusion is common, but awareness changes everything. Subscribe for daily health quizzes and smarter food decisions. For personal health decisions, please consult your healthcare provider.